Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out 10 hot short haircut ideas that you can wear in 2023. First up, we have this beautiful bob haircut. This one features blue money piece highlights in the front, gorgeous blonde in the back. Looks like a very nice color mix. Very edgy and trendy style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a quick hair transformation. So she ended up going a tad bit shorter. Followed by this asymmetrical pixie style. Turned shorter, very cute and chic curly pixie. And then we see someone with long hair. And she is also rocking a pixie cut. Beautiful longer pixie style with asymmetrical cuts. Very pretty. And then we have someone with long hair. Looks like she is also getting a pixie cut. And the stylist did another stunning asymmetrical pixie style. Then we have another blonde refresh and pixie styling. Beautiful. This client does look like they have a little bit more of a pixie/pixie haircut. Beautiful shape and texture that the stylist did with that one. Followed by another long two pixie hair transformation. And then we have another pixie style, beautiful blonde, and she ended up going shorter with a traditional pixie cut. Followed by this brunette pixie style, beautiful curly texture with that one. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.